Hi, everyone. We're going to do our phonics lesson for the week. Again, it's still the focus on long I, but you'll notice that this time we changed how the spelling is for that long I sound. So here the focus is the long I spelled blank Y. And every time you see blank Y, it means that the Y is at the end of a syllable. And it's going to say I in this case. All right, so all of our words that we're going to work with today has a long I spelled blank Y, and what is it going to say? I. What's it going to say? I. Okay, so let's go ahead and focus on line 1. And I'm going to go ahead and point, and I'm going to have you blend that out loud, sound by sound. Ready? Sound? Sound?
I.
Blend it.
I.
Sound?
I.
Careful, digraph here. Sound?
I.
I see Miss Kim. She's trying to look like she's shy, but she isn't. And here we go, another digraph.
I. Y.
Well, look at that expression on our teachers today. Why? Why are we here? We are here because we want to support all of you. So let's go ahead and reread this line back with fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
My. Shy. Y.
You got it. And I want you to take a moment to look at this first line. And just like before with the other phonics lessons, you're going to think about it. Take a moment to think about it. Try to see if there's a pattern or a family that we're working with here in this line. And once you have that response in your head, you could go ahead and put a thumb to your chest. Lets me know that you're ready. You have a response ready. If you need more time, just pause that video, think about it some more, and then click forward or unpause. Okay, Miss Kim, I'm choosing you. Look over at line 1, take a look at that set, and let me know what is the pattern or family that you see here.
Well, I see 2 family. I don't know if it's correct, but I see one family, which is Y, and another family, HY.
Oh, so I'm noticing that here we have Y as the family. But apart from that, you're noticing the last 2 words have HY. And does anyone agree or disagree with that response, that second set? Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I would say that it's a digraph and then Y, because they're both digraphs.
Wow! Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much for pointing that out. Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz is right. We do not split these 2 because the SH form a digraph. So we don't call out just the HY, we say digraph Y, digraph Y. Thank you so much for the clarification, Ms. Yakimowicz. And thank you, Ms. Kim, for that answer, because remember, ladies and gentlemen, everyone has an opportunity to learn from each other here.
I learned something new. Thank you.
Yes. All right, so now let's take a look at line 2 set. Here we go. Sound by sound. Here we go.
Fly.
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 Last one on the line.
I.
Fly.
Let's go ahead and repeat that for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Fly, fly, fly. Okay? Take a moment to think, just like we did before. Think about it. Look for a pattern. Look for a family that we're working with in this line. Thumb to your chest lets me know that you're ready. Again, boys and girls, if you need more think time, hit that pause button, think about it, and then unpause. All right, Ms. Yakimowicz, back to you, Bob. Let's take a look at line 2, and let's think about what the pattern or family we're working with here. What do you think it is?
I notice LY, which makes the lie sound.
Yes, very nicely done. So in line 2, we have LY, LY, and LY. And remember, in my class, we make up words just to reassure us that we understand this family. So if I had in front of lie, what word would I make? Lie. If I had w in front of lie, I would make fly. Of course, we make these words silly so that we understand the family. Here we go. Let's go ahead and now look at this third line down here. Ooh, be careful. Multisyllabic words. That means you see 2 syllables on each of these words. Oh, I just shared a noticing. And we're going to not do sound by sound. We're going to go ahead and read it through. Ready? First word, 3, 2, 1. Come, fly. Whole word, come fly. Next word, imply. Whole word, imply. Very good. Last word, supply. Whole word. Very nice, very nice. And then when you are ready, thumb to your chest, just like before. What do you notice? What are your patterns that you notice? Family that you notice there? Hit the pause button if you need more think time, and then unpause when you're ready. Miss T, we haven't heard from you yet. Can you tell us, looking at line 3, all 3 words, what is the pattern or family we're working with here?
I think it's P-L-Y, so ply.
Ply. Ply. Very nice, very nice. I would argue that these are very similar. Do you notice line 2 and line 3 have similar patterns? You're just adding an additional consonant, which is the p sound spelled what?
Fly.
No, the p sound spelled
P.
P. Thank you. Let's take a moment now to read this sentence to yourself. And remember, boys and girls, this time it's not thumb to your chest. What you're showing me is the number of fingers, or with your fingers, sorry, the number of words that have the long I spelled blank Y, blank Y. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Okay, let's go with Ms. Yakimowicz. Ms. Yakimowicz, I know I haven't asked you to read it, but can you please help us first by identifying the words that have the long I spelled blank Y?
The first word is fly. And then the second word I found was frying.
Oh, very nice. Look at that. She took on that challenge of reading that multisyllabic word, 2 syllables in that. She found that blank Y at the end of the word fry. You'll notice that it's at the end of this syllable. This rule still applies. Blank Y applies only to the end of a syllable, not the end of a word. Okay, let's go ahead and read it together. 3, 2, 1, Miss Kim.
It
The
Fish
fly
into the
frying
pan. Very nice, Miss Kim. Thank you so much. And then back to Miss T. Can you go ahead and scoop it for us?
Let me think. I think it's did the fish fly into the frying pan?
Very nice, very nice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for us to transition and go from decoding to encoding. And for those of you who are not familiar, encoding means that you are spelling out with the words or the sounds that you've been working with today, or the patterns. So take out your whiteboard, take out your whiteboard marker, paper, pencil. If you're on Seesaw, go ahead and pull up a post and get ready to record and upload. Here we go. Thumb to your chest when you're ready with your equipment. Remember, boys and girls, you can take a moment to pause here, grab that equipment that you need, all those tools, and then unpause. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. First word, ready? I buy. I buy. Excellent. Next word. The word is my. What's the word? My. I, my. I, my. Thank you. Put it down. I, my. Okay, going to the middle set of words. Ready? Here we go. The word is shy. What's the word? Shy. Shh. I, shy. Careful, 2 letters make that sound. Shh, I, shy. Very nice, put it down. Next word, ready? The word is try. What's the word? Try. I, try. I, try. Very nice, very nice. Bring that down. And if you don't mind, teachers, holding back until I say it the third time to show it, so it gives the kids an opportunity to try themselves and then show it. Here we go. First word on the multiple word set, supply. The word is supply. Sup, I, ply, supply. And here we go, supply. Go ahead and show me. Nice, nice. Supply, Miss T. Thank you. Ready? Here we go.
Internet's slow.
Last word on the set. The word is comply. Comply. Com. I, ply. I, comply. Show it to me. Excellent, excellent work. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's that sentence. You know what to do. If you need that scaffold, go ahead and use this to put it on your whiteboard, to put it on your paper, or to put it on your screen if you're using the Seesaw app. And then give yourself a thumbs up to your chest. Teachers, when you're ready. Students, if you're not ready, hit the pause button. Get yourself ready. Again, if you don't need the scaffold, you don't need to write all of this. Just listen to Ms. Rosales say it, and then just write along with me. Here we go, teachers. First word, ready? Digraph. W, I, Y. W, I, Y. Did, d, it, d, did, d, it, d, did. The, sly, s, I, sly, s, I, sly, spy, s, I, s, I, spy, try, t, r, I, t, r, I, try, two. Watch that long I, it's spelled I blank E here. The word is hide. H, I, d. H, I, d. So I'll repeat that. Why did the sly spy try to hide? Go ahead and show me your responses, teachers. Wow, thank you so much. Excellent job. Pat on the back. Pat yourself on the back. Job well done. Boys and girls, thank you so much for joining us on our phonics lesson. Join in tomorrow and please subscribe at the bottom. Bye.